Hi and welcome to my channel. If you have ever wondered why math and physics are such powerful tools for understanding the world around us, or maybe you have struggled with these subjects and want a fresh, engaging way to learn, then you are in the right place. Here we break down the complex ideas into simple, bite-sized lessons. Whether it is exploring the mysteries of physics or mastering of math, my goal is to make math and physics not just easy to understand, but fun. I believe that with the right approach, anyone can grasp these subjects, and animations make that journey even more exciting. You will see concepts come to life and making abstract theories feel more intuitive and visual. No matter if you are a student preparing for exams, a curious learner diving into new topics, or someone who just wants to get better at problem solving, I have got content for everyone. From beginner to advanced levels, I will be covering topics across both math and physics. The best part is every lesson is designed with animations that can simplify the tough concepts and turning the complicated into something that you can visualize and understand clearly. So hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Together we will unlock the beauty and power of math and physics. Stay curious, stay excited, and let's explore the universe of numbers and laws. See you in the next video.